So, girls, with this, we wind up with the first episode of partnership. We have learned the changes, reconstitution of partnership, and the changes in the profit sharing ratio. How are the changes in the profit sharing ratio brought about at the time of different episodes, different reasons of reconstitution of partnership? The first reason now, the first consequence of reconstitution of the business, reconstitution of partnership, is admission of a new partner. So sometimes, girls, admission of a new partner means when the one new partner is admitted to already existing partnership, the business is being carried on, there is a partnership being established between few partners, two or more than two partners, and all those partners decide that maybe because they need some more capital, or some competent person is there, very efficient person is there, they need to involve that efficient person and take benefit of the efficiency of that person. Or maybe he's such a renowned person, maybe a politician or an MLA, a very renowned renowned politician, with the that means his goodwill will fetch profits to the business, or to encourage the capable employee, sometimes to encourage my manager only, sometimes one of my manager or my accountant, he is such a efficient worker, to encourage him I make him a partner. Partner does not always means, girls, making him a 50% partner or a equal partner. Partner means I have made him a partner, he shares, to make him to give him an incentive for his work and to inspire his efficiency. I tell him that you take 10% partner profits, so that he is encouraged to work for more profits. He works for efficiency, he shows efficiency for increasing the multiplying the profits of the business, increasing the profits of the business. So at this time, this is governed in under Indian Partnership Act. The rules are governed under Indian Partnership Act, section 31 and subsection 31 of subsection 31. This is a partner, this is a contract that is established between the partners with the consent of the existing partners. One or more than one partner are admitted in the existing partnership firm. When this new partner comes in the business, he, along with his capital, brings in some amount of goodwill. Goodwill also, we have learnt the valuing of goodwill. So he brings his share of premium of goodwill, his share of capital and goodwill. But at this time, when the new partner comes in, there are certain other things, certain changes that are happening to the existing partnership firm. What are these new changes? Now see here. New changes, like at this time the calculation of new profit sharing ratio is done. New profit sharing ratio, why is new profit sharing ratio being calculated? Because when this new partner is coming in the business, he is taking some share, 10% share, 20% share, 50% share, 70% share, whatever percentage is agreed upon. He derives that share, he gets that share from the already existing partners' share. That means the existing partners are foregoing some part of their profit share which otherwise they were taking, now in favor of the new partner. So with this new partner's arrival in the firm, calculation of new partner share profit sharing ratio becomes mandatory. That's the first change. Then next change happens, accounting treatment of goodwill. This new partner brings in his share of goodwill. So accounting when he brings in his share of goodwill, accounting treatment has to be given to that goodwill. Then accounting treatment and revaluation of assets and liabilities. All the assets and liabilities, I told you, whenever there is change in the existence of partnership, in the modes of partnership, the assets and liabilities always have to be reconstituted, always have to be revalued. Then there is a very important adjustment, that is treatment of reserves and all the accumulated profits. All the undistributed profits and the reserves are distributed, are also the treatment, accounting treatment is given to that. These are all the treatments that I am telling you that will be required at the time of the new partner joining in. And then what is required is according to the accounting treatment of the capitals on the basis of new profit sharing ratio. So accounting treatment we will learn the accounting treatment of these four things. Which things? Accounting treatment of goodwill, of revaluation of asset and liabilities, of reserves and accumulated profits, and of the capitals. These four adjustments that we will start doing. The first thing, we start with the first thing, the calculation of the new profit sharing ratio. New ratio will be calculated by calculating the sacrificing ratio. To calculate the new ratio, we need to know how much of the share of the old partners has gone in favor of the new partner. There are different ways in which sacrifice ratio can be calculated to calculate the new ratio. The first way is, or the first consequence, the first method can be when the first feature can come when only the ratio of the new partner is given. Nothing else is given in the question. We are given that new partner is admitted with certain share, and nothing else is mentioned about the old partner share. What is happening to the old partner share? Don't worry, no need to be afraid. We have been given the new partner share, give him his share, and the old partners continue to share their profits in the previous ratio, in the previous agreed ratio only. So old ratio, in that event old ratio is equal to new ratio. There is no change in the proportion, there is no change in the ratio, only the share of profits will change. We will now see, for example, X and Y are two partners. X and Y are two partners with the ratio of 3:2, with the agreed profit sharing ratio of 3:2. That means 3/5 or 2/5. They have shared the profits as 3/5 or 2/5. Now, I think now it will be little better, the clarity. Yes. So now this partner Z is being admitted with 1/5 share. Z is being admitted with 1/5 share. Nothing else is mentioned about the old partner's share. So after giving 1/5 share, what is left for the combined share of X and Y will be, the combined share of X and Y will be 4/5. We have given one share to, out of one share, 1/5 share has been given to this new partner Z. So 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. Now 4/5 share is left for X and Y. Now the ratio of X and Y share will be same. 3:2 was the ratio, 3:2 ही होगा अब ratio. Only 3:2 किसका होगा? 4/5 का, because the share left for them is 4/5. The share left for both of them is 4/5. So of 4/5 they will make the same ratio 3/5. 4/5 into 3/5, 12/25. 4/5 Y's share was 2/5. Now also it will be 2/5. But 2/5 किसका होगा? 2/5 of 4/5 share. So now it will be 8/25. So new ratio will be of XYZ 12/25, 8/25 and 5/25. 5/25 means 1/5. That was 1/5 share. So 1/5 share means 5/25 share of Z. So the new ratio becomes 12:8:5. Next, girls, is the case when the new partner purchases his share from the old partners. He is purchasing his share from the old partners in which ratio? Equally. He is purchasing his share. He is supposing getting 1/5 share. So 1/5 is taken, half from one partner and half from other partner. Half kiska? 1/5 ka half. So he is getting that share from the previous partners, existing partners, in equal ratio. Let us see how. Suppose now, girls, here this is illustration 2 in your textbook. Suppose Ram and Sham, I think it is illustration 2. Ram and Sham shared the profits of 7:5. The profit given are 7:5. They admit Gopi with 1/6 share. which he acquires equally from Ram and Sham. That means 1/6 share, 1/6 का half, that means 1/12 from Ram, and 1/6 का half, that means 1/12 from Sham. So he is taking this 1/6 share, that is half of 1/6 from Ram and half of 1/6 from Sham. That means the new share after giving 1/6 share, the new share after giving 1/6 share to Gopi becomes Ram 7/12 पहले था, this is 7:5, 7/12 and 5/12. So 7/12 was his previous share. 7/12 में से 1/12 has been given. So 7/12 minus 1/12, that is 6/12 share left. Sham's share was 5/12. 5/12 का 1/12 is given to Gopi. So 5/12 minus 1/12, 4/12 share is left. And Gopi तो दे ही 1/5 रहा था उसको. So 6/12 is to 4/12 is to 2/12. That is the share, that will be the profit sharing ratio between these three partners. That means 6:4:2 or 3:2:1 is the new ratio. This is how the new ratio is calculated. Girls, till here you will be able to do till question number 4 from your textbook, unsolved question number 4, and you are expected to practice these questions, unsolved question number 4 in your textbook.